Hey, this is Missybeelondon here. Welcome to my channel. As you can see, my hair is out in an afro. This was filmed in June 2018. People asked me how did I wrap my headscarf on my head in my previous ranting videos. So I thought let me do a quick video to show you how I do it. So as you see, I am putting my hair back in one, this lovely thick hair back in one, and then I'm going to get the headscarf to wrap it around my head. How is everybody? What's happening? I like doing voiceovers. Yes, it's so fun. Now you see me put on the head scarf on my head. It's a satin headscarf, head wrap, whatever you want to call it, the thing you put on your head, that thing. Yes, I'm putting it on my head, and then I show you what I'm doing at the back. And then I put a knot at the front of my head, and both of the ends I twist it around and I loop it around to create that front pattern, so to say. I don't know how to describe these things yet, but it looked nice anyway, so that's just basically how I done it. But you got to tuck it in so it's nice and neat, and you see me struggling a little bit to make sure it's tucked in nice and neat because I just want it to be nice and neat, so I kept on fussing over it, so to say. But look, that little bit at the end, you just tuck it in again, and that's it. Simple. That's how I created it. I will do a proper head wrap video, but you know what, it's just timing and everything, and this is quick. The head wraps will take longer, so I'll do that another time, but I'll do this one quickly because it's a quick one. Look, I'm still fussing over the other side again because it's coming out. It's just typical when I do this on camera, it goes all funny. When I do it off camera, it's fine. But yeah, there you go. That's how I do it. I'm just fixing the front of my head. I'm fixing I'm fixing the side again. It was so annoying. My days. I'm still fiddling about and it's still coming out as well. Look at it. But yeah, that's what I did. That's how I created the rope wrapping effect at the front of my head, and I'm showing you how I tuck the headscarf at the back of my head. Yes, it's a bit loose and yeah, it looks a bit messy, but I went over it again afterwards. Another thing about filming on camera, sometimes you don't know what you're doing at the back of your head because you can't see it, and you only see it after you finished filming, so yay. But yeah, this is how I created this simple look. How you finding my ranting videos? Are they fun? I have fun doing them because you know what, there's a lot to moan about, but I make it humorous here because you got to make it fun sometimes because life is life. I finished now. What do you think? Simple things, innit? All you got to do, get a head wrap like I said. Do the knot at the front of your head, tuck in the end bits and wrap it around. Simple. And thank you for watching. Hope you can watch my other videos. If you're new, hope you can subscribe. If you're coming back, thanks for coming back. See you in your next video. Bye 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 bye.